Diversity is what brings all these different perspectives to the table, right? These experiences that we have. And when we bring them together, that's when we create the best possible solutions.
If I had to sum up diversity in one word,
it means pride.
It's about removing barriers,
confidence, creativity,
potential,
understanding.
It means belonging.
My name's Rich Morris, I'm a designer artist. I was challenged by Bentley to design an artwork that celebrates diversity. Inspired by the Beatles' Bentley, I used the colours of the pride and the trans flags. The best way to visualise what diversity means to me is to break it down into its simple, basic terms. No matter what your ethnicity, your colour, your gender, your sexual preference or your social standing, at the end of the day, love is love. So this all led to the idea of a single unbroken line that starts with the word love. I applied random colour to the figures and faces to show that colour is beautiful and something to be celebrated. It was really exciting for me to then see the artwork converted for a design on the Flying Spur.
Diversity and inclusion are a major part of our Beyond 100 strategy.
We want to empower all of our colleagues to come to work, to have this safe place where they can be their authentic self.
For me, diversity is all about innovation,
acceptance,
individuality,
inclusion.
It means supporting,
inspiring,
united,
opportunity,
integrity.
To me, diversity means everybody.
Well, diversity for us is driving the success of the company. We have to recognize that these differences are actually something very good.
We are really engaged with our diversity networks. We have 3 networks in place. Be Proud, focusing on the LGBTQI colleagues. We have Be United, focusing on all BAME colleagues, and Be Inspired, which is focusing on gender balance.
So in order to reach our target regarding diversity, we identified 5 steps. First, the outreach. Number 2, the recruitment. Number 3, the development. Number 4, the succession planning. And number 5, the culture.
I hope that our strategy makes a difference, that it actually makes a difference.
Mm-hmm.